Greetings to you all. Standing before you is Zamile and Mkohlakali. I'm from Newell High School. I'm doing grade 10. My speech will be about patience. I have a dream that people should wait for what they desire. Patience is necessary for success. The dictionary defines patience as the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. The word patience means the willingness to stay in the present and live the situation out to the full, in the belief that something special will manifest itself to us at the right time. Patience is the ability to remain calm and wait for something, even if it takes a day, a month, or even years. Good things come to those who wait. People should not brag to others about what they achieved or have, because everything has its own time. You might have achieved or accomplished something I haven't accomplished. I will wait for great things to happen. Rushing things will never help. I'm not saying people should relax. They should work hard towards what they want and wait for the great result patiently. I want people to accept where they are and wait for where they want to be. Patience is the key.